Hi everyone, this is Keval from Drone Aviation. This is the 9th video of the series Drone Programming using Pluto Blocks. In this video we are going to make a project by which we can take off our Pluto by simply blowing air over it. Let's go. As we know, Pluto contains 4 basic sensors. One of these is the barometer. The barometer measures atmospheric pressure, and this data is used to measure the altitude at which the drone is flying. Barometer is what we are going to use today to make our project Open Sesame. So what we are going to do in the project is we are going to blow air over the barometer, and this air will be sensed as a pressure change by the barometer, and at that instant we are going to command the drone to take off. So let us start coding and see how this works. I will make a new project. Let us name it as Open Sesame. The first step is to create two variables. I will create one integer named as previous pressure, and I will create one more integer, current pressure. I will use this set over here. I will change this current pressure to previous pressure, and from sensors I am going to select barometer and fix it over here. So the barometer data is going to be stored in the previous pressure variable. I will copy paste this entire thing and place it in Pluto loop, but I will change this from previous to current pressure. So in the Pluto loop, the barometer data is going to be stored in the current pressure variable. Now in logic, I will select if do block. Okay. Again from logic, I will select a comparator. Now I want to select from math block. I will select a square root, but this square root is going to be changed to absolute. Again from math, I am going to select addition block. From variables, I will select current pressure, and I will copy paste it over here and name it as previous pressure. I will change this to minus, change the sign to greater than, and let us put a number over here. The number I am selecting is 8. Okay, so whatever we have done till now translates to if the absolute value of the difference between the current and the previous pressure. So there is a previous pressure value and then there is a current pressure value. When the difference between these two values is more than 8, at that instant we want to do something. But what do we want to do? We want to take off. So from command, let us select the takeoff block, and I will use the LED to just indicate to us if this is running properly. I am going to set it to toggle this time. You can do whatever you like over there. Okay, so this is our project till now. First we are going to take the barometer value and store it in previous pressure. Then in the main loop we are going to take the barometer value and store it in current pressure integer, the variable. And then we are going to compare the difference between them. So when I blow over the barometer, when at this instant, if the difference between the previous pressure and the current pressure becomes more than 8, the drone will be commanded to take off, and that is what we want. Slight addition to this would be to update the previous pressure value, since we want the drone to take off at the instant when the difference in pressure changes. So yeah, I will be updating the previous pressure value. So what I am going to do is select set previous pressure to, I want 90% of the previous pressure and 10% of the current pressure. So let us select a math block, keep it over here, copy paste this math block in this. Okay, Now let me select the current pressure over here and the previous pressure over here. So I will select this as multiplication, and I want to take the 10% of the current pressure, so I will make it as 0.1, and previous pressure I want the 90% of this part, so I will select it as 0.9. So current pressure into 0.1 plus previous pressure into 0.9. This would be my new previous pressure value, updated value. So with this we complete the programming part. Now let us quickly build and flash this project. And after flashing, let us execute this project. So let us first connect the drone with the Pluto controller app, and before starting with the developer mode, as we discussed in the previous video, in the previous project Chuck to Arm, that whenever you want to arm the drone, whenever the command is to arm or take off, we need to first arm the drone through the app, as that acts as the switch for our drone. I will press the developer mode and do the same project. So, and I will blow over the drone, and as you can see, the drone takes off. This can also act as your private security guard. You can place it near the door, and if anyone opens the door forcefully, the wind will act as the trigger, and the drone will take off. So I hope you guys learned a good bit from this project. You can try this out and make a good application out of it. Share with us whatever tinkering stuff you are doing. In the next video, we are going to understand how the gyro sensor works. So stay tuned for that. Till then, keep programming, use Pluto blocks, and let us know how you like it. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you.